Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, the 6th of September. We need rain around here, but it's not going to happen anytime soon. Afternoons stay hot, and Dorian finally moves off the United States coast later today. Here's the upper look this morning. Big upper high west of the state. Dorian off to the east, pulling down dry continental air mass, and it feels pretty good this morning. Look at those upper 50s at Cullman and Fort Payne. But we warm up quickly. Highs at or just over 90 today, a little above average for early September. There's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet morning. Of course, most of the issues on the mid-Atlantic coast with Dorian. In that zone, there's a marginal risk of a few isolated tornadoes on the outer bands of Dorian later today. Also a marginal risk over the northern Rockies. Tomorrow, a marginal risk across the Central Plains. And on day 3, which is Sunday, we note green over South Alabama. The SPC suggesting there might be a little pop-up storm somewhere there. Most of the state stays dry. And again, a marginal risk just to the east of Denver. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The big numbers way up north. Around here, got a few green splotches on this map, but that's not going to really be beneficial. We could see a few isolated showers at some point next week, but big rains, no. Okay, tropical fans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items of interest. Of course, we have Dorian. Gabrielle, the little system in the Atlantic, is dissipating. One wave northeast of Bermuda, that will probably not develop. One east of the Leeward Islands, that will probably not develop. But obviously the one of interest is Invest 94L, which is in the eastern Atlantic. That's in that classic breeding ground. Here's a look at the European ensemble tracks, and you can see that most of the members do bring it toward the Leeward Islands in 5 to 6 days. A couple of members recurve it, but the consensus here is that it comes on toward the Leeward Islands, the Lesser Antilles. And from there, what happens, we don't know. Recurve, come toward the Gulf, East Coast threat for the United States. It's just too early to call, but modeling mostly suggests this will become a tropical storm and maybe a hurricane over the next 5 days. This will be the H storm. It's Umberto. So just something to watch. Dorian, now with winds of 90 miles per hour. This thing is just kissing the outer banks of North Carolina. Technically no landfall yet, and that's still producing nasty conditions and will today on the outer banks. But again, the upper winds will finally pick this thing up. It'll be in the Canadian Maritimes over the weekend. Check the GFS. This is the 06C run at 4 o'clock this afternoon. 594 upper high to the west, Dorian to the east, and it will be a sunny day. Highs, I'd say 89 to 92 for most spots. Tomorrow is a sunny day, and a hot day will be in the 90s. I think mid-90s are very likely. Using 97 for a kickoff temperature in Tuscaloosa for the Alabama home opener. Sunday, same thing, sunny with highs in the 90s, and not a lot of change Monday. Maybe an isolated shower for the south. This is Tuesday. I guess you might mention isolated showers. Most places stay dry. Wednesday, again, we could see a few widely scattered showers Wednesday afternoon. Nothing widespread. Thursday looks pretty dry, and this is a week from today, Friday the 13th. Ridging building, and again, a cold front way north and west of here, but not much happening in our state. This is the QPF off the GFS ensemble for the next 15 days, and really members kind of all over the board out there toward mid-month. The mean is a little over 1 inch. Looks like we stay in the 90s for the most part through next week, and then highs drop back in the 80s and lows mostly in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.